Hello, and welcome to another edition of Realtor Success, presented by New Horizon Financial Services. New Horizon provides marketing and management coaching to realtors to help them grow their business, while our accounting services help realtors save money in every aspect of their business, including taxes. My name is Michael Oden, and I'm your host. I'm also the Chief Marketing Officer and Managing Partner here at New Horizon Financial Services. Today is another part of our four-part series, How to Create the Real Estate Business of Your Dreams on a Shoestring Budget, the first 15 steps to realtor success. Today's topic is money funnel. And with money, this is a part of our ongoing continuing educational series where we talk about four aspects of your business: marketing, mindset, management, and money. Money is simply the movement of money coming in and out of your real estate practice. So let's go ahead and jump into it. As you can see, we have four parts here which reference to the management of money within your real estate business. Many times we overlook the very basics that can make a business successful. And in regards to money, obviously you're not a real estate agent, or you're not thinking about becoming a real estate agent from a nonprofit standpoint. You want to make sure that you have money coming in to support your business and money coming out of your business to support your lifestyle. So let's delve into the basics. Step one, very simple. You must establish a separate bank account for your real estate business. It can simply be a DBA, because now that you're a real estate agent, you need to operate and hold yourself out as a business owner. And that simply means that you need to keep the finances separate. These are literally two separate worlds. And also, the additional major important part of having separate finances is so that you can track the money within your business to make sure that you are making money. And again, business expenses and personal expenses are two totally separate things in the world of being in business and being a real estate agent. So having a bank account is the very most foundational piece within of running your real estate business. Step two, bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is simply the financial systems that enable you to keep track of your finances within your business. Now, you can do this one or two ways. You can do it the new school way, where you use software to help you automatically track the money coming in and out of your business. There are a number of service providers out there that provide bookkeeping software for independent contractors, small business owners such as ourselves. I'm going to show us here this two that I don't necessarily recommend, but that I am familiar with, that I have used. And again, there are many, many others in this sphere. You just want to do your own research and find your own product that fits your lifestyle and it fits the needs that you have in your business. One of them is simply GoDaddy online bookkeeping. It used to be a service called Outright.com that GoDaddy purchased, but now it's called GoDaddy, and they provide for just simply $9.99 per month as of the current date. They currently have a discount where they provide you with basic accounting software that will allow you to, as you see here, automatically input your bank account and credit card transactions into the software. So this allows you to track your income and expenses online automatically, as well as provide yourself with reports on your profit and losses. And that simply put is how much money you had coming into the business minus all your expenses and what's left over. As you can see with GoDaddy, they do have a premium service here which offers you some additional services within the package. Another one that we recommend here at New Horizon and Realtor Success is QuickBooks. QuickBooks is the granddaddy of them all in terms of accounting software. They have online, offline versions. The online version that we recommend would be the independent contractor, since all realtors, or majority of realtors, are set up as 1099 contractors under your broker. As you can see here, they have a platform for the self-employed person, and as of now, again, very, very affordable. $10, $13 a month, depending on the features and services that you need for your business. So there's no reason for us not to have a bookkeeping system within our real estate practice, and one that either, as I said, new school, be it software, or taking it back to the old school a little bit, there's a way for you to manage your real estate business in an old school standpoint. And what I mean by that is simply good old manila envelope. You get 12 of these, and you just simply write the month and the year on each envelope, and you dump your receipts in that envelope as you go throughout the month. And then you can tally up your income and expenses using pencil and paper, or if you want to be a little bit between old school and new school, you can simply use a Excel spreadsheet. This is one that we have in our uh, Facebook group. It's available 100% free, and it will allow you to track your income and expenses throughout the year. As you can see here, there's a tab at the bottom for each month of the year, and then it summarizes for the year. So you can, again, at the end of each month, pull out that manila envelope for that month, go through the income and the expenses, tally them up on this spreadsheet. So at the end of the year, you have a very nice and neat package that you'd be able to give to your tax professional, or for you to do your taxes yourself. So again, new school or old school, doesn't matter, as long as you're using something systematic to keep tracking income and expenses in your business. Next, moving on, step 3, within the money funnel. You need to determine what you want your salary to be. And before we delve into that, um, most of the time, talk on the internet in terms of what a real estate professional has made, could make, or when people talk about their income levels, etc. Many times people are talking about it from a GCI standpoint, or a gross commission income. Very rarely do you hear people talk about the net. When I say bringing home the bacon, that is what you can give to mama or papa to pay the bills. At the end of the day, that's what really matters. GCI, gross commission income, is important. That is the overall income that's coming into your business to fund the operations and also to support your lifestyle. But you also need to have an idea of what it is you need to net out of that GCI, and that's the most important aspect of the overall formula. And again, you want to start out by thinking of how much money do I want to make, do I want to be able to pull out from my business on an annual basis. And then from there, you can break that down into a monthly basis to make it a lot more easier for you to digest. I always tell people, you eat an elephant one bite at a time. So regardless of what you want your annual income to be, we want to break that down into a digestible size chunk, which will be the monthly income that you need to derive from your business. So asking yourself, how do I make $75,000 as a real estate agent? Now, $75,000 to some people may seem like a whole lot of money. $75,000 to another person may not seem like much. I'm not here to debate the fact. Only reason why I indicated $75,000 is $75,000 allows you to live a relatively decent lifestyle. So again, just wanted to break this down for you. $75,000 is our annual income that we need to take out of our business, be able to bring home the bacon, give the mama and papa to pay the bills. Then we need to look at probably selling about $6 million worth of homes within our marketplace. And if you use just a average commission of 3%, I'm based out of Georgia. Typical real estate agent on either side of the transaction would receive a gross commission of 3% prior to splitting it with broker and fees, etc. And if you had a 3% average commission, your GCI would be $180,000 approximately. I use that number based on homes selling at about $250,000 per transaction. So if you use that calculation, you out of your gross commission income, you must subtract the cost and operations of doing your business. I tell people to use the number approximately 40 to 45%. In this example, I use 43%. There's a book written by Gary Keller who talks about how much a real estate agent should compensate for in terms of marketing expenses, etc. So again, this number will fluctuate, but just using 43% as our example, you would net take home about $77,000. So that would help you exceed that goal of $75,000 as an income goal, meaning take home. So again, that's 2 homes per month. So from there, you'll need to build your real estate business in a manner that will enable you to be closing approximately 2 homes per month at an average of about $250,000 per deal in terms of home sale price. And again, you want to keep everything on a per month 30-day cycle to help you not get overwhelmed with trying to reach your income goals as a real estate agent. All right, so moving on to the last part of today's webinar, budget. And when I say budget, I simply mean finding ways to save money. With the money funnel, you have the money coming in your business, and then on the other end of the funnel, you have the money coming out of your business, which are all the expenses, anywhere from marketing expenses down to gas, that you need to make sure you have a hold on and that you are budgeting for to make sure that you meet your income goals for your real estate business. So stop, roll, and hold your credit card. And what I mean by that is simply many times we go to make a purchase or we go to make a subscription, and we're basically white hot over the prospect of using a new service or having a new tool or a new gadget or gizmo. When in reality, if we just wait and we sometimes ask ourselves a couple of questions before we make that purchase, we very well may be able to eliminate or keep that item off of our expense items. So what would you do if you didn't make the purchase? What would happen? Will the world end? Probably not. So do you want to make that purchase simply because it's something that's new? It's a new hot technology or toy or subscription-based service that everybody's talking about. Do you really need it? Is it really going to make an impact on your business? You want to make sure you ask yourself that question. And many times, if you just take a few moments or take a day or two and search for either lower cost or free version of the same subscription-based tool, etc., that you may need, you very well may find one. And again, when you're looking at buying services or things for your business, whether it be a new laptop or whether it be a new desk for for an office that you're moving into, do you need top of the line or do you just need a base model that can help get you by? Also, many times if we just simply wait 24 hours before making a purchase, we'll cool off. We won't need to purchase. Something else will come up. Maybe we'll talk to a friend about what it is that we're thinking about buying and subscribing to, and they will tell us that, hey, you can get that same result by using this particular product or service, and it may be free or it may be a lot cheaper. Another item that I'd like to let realtors know about is brown bagging lunch. This may sound silly, but if you take a look at your credit card statement, debit card statement, you'll see that you spend a lot of money eating out as a real estate agent. That will kill you. So, brown bag, sometimes scheduling your day around where you can come back to your home to eat, taking the lunch with you in a cooler. If you go to Walmart or Target, etc., they sell lunch bags with the good old cooler ice pack that goes inside to keep your lunch nice and cold. Also, many times, if you've listened to some of our other webinars on marketing, we talk a lot about farming your local area, farming your local market, farming your neighborhoods, areas that are close to your home, so that if you're working that immediate area close to your home, you're not spending a lot of gas, nor are you spending a lot of time away from your immediate area, and that'll help you save a lot of money, and you'll be able to eat lunch at home sometimes. And then also when it comes to marketing your business, we talk a lot about partnering up with the local businesses in the area to receive, we call lead generation items, freebies, giveaways, freemiums, etc., that you can use in your marketing, online marketing, etc. Hey, download this free report, get a free gift certificate to Joe's Coffee Shop, here in the local Marietta area or the local Atlanta area, etc. So partnering with your local businesses to develop partnerships, what they give you discounts and those types of things that you can give away to prospects and customers. And then too, when you're looking to buy items, whether it be maybe tech items, printers, tablets, or whether it may be a desk for your office, etc., buy used. I can't tell you how many things I personally bought off Craigslist for my business. At one point, I operated 5 retail tax prep accounting stores, locations. Everything that I bought for those locations were used. And I saved thousands and thousands of dollars by doing so. So make sure that you think about that concept in your business. So, ending everything. Again, you must have a business account. Now that you're a real estate agent, you're living two separate lives. You have your personal expenses, you have your business expenses, and you need to be able to keep track of those two income sources, two items separately. So you must have a business account. You must get a bookkeeping system, whether you're doing it old school or new school, doesn't matter. Again, there are many different platforms online, as well as many different resources that you can use offline to systematically keep track of money coming in and out of your business. You need to establish what your income goals are so that you can build your marketing systems around what your income goals are. So if you want to make $75,000 a year, we already talked about how you need to be closing approximately 2 homes per month in order to meet that income goal. Finding ways to save, you absolutely saving money is just as important as making money. You need to make sure that you don't have any leaks in your boat that will end up causing you to not have a profitable business simply because you weren't managing your expenses properly. So with that being said, guys, we're wrapping up another webinar within the Realtor Success webinar series. As usual, we always like to let you know about our free live coaching that goes on every Tuesday, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Any and everyone is invited. We always have a topic that we cover in the beginning of the webinar. In the beginning of the live coaching call, and then we open the call up for Q&A for anyone to ask any marketing, management, money related questions that they may have for their real estate business. The dial-in number for that is 605-562-0020. Again, that's 605-562-0020. The PIN number for the conference call is 663-895-4444. Again, that PIN number is 663-895-4444. Join us on our Facebook group, therealtorsuccess.com. That'll point you directly to our Facebook group. Also, get plugged into all of our free training at freerealtortraining.net. That will bring you to our YouTube site, as well as many other resources that we have for free training. My email address, if for any reason you need to contact me, questions, concerns, etc., Michael at nhfsllc.com. Again, that's Michael at nhfsllc.com. My direct phone number at the office is 678-647-7249, 678-647-7249. And as usual, you can always visit us online at nhfsllc.com. That's New Horizon Financial Services LLC.com, all the initials. So again, guys, I'm your host, Michael Oden. I'm coming to you again with another edition of Realtor Success presented by New Horizon Financial Services. I wish you all the best of luck in your real estate business. Again, if you have any questions, if you need any help, please get connected with us so we can help you grow your business to the next level.